Today we have a pretty short video for you. Welcome to WebFrame, by the way. Today we're going to be talking about Terminal. And Terminal is the program that lets you access your entire web root. It is pivotal to making changes, bug fixes, or just as a great tool to get around your whole WebFrame installation. So the terminal does not let you access things outside your web root, but it lets you access everything within inside. So when I just went over, I'll show you again. I went over here, I clicked Apps and then Terminal, and now I'm there. Here's all the directories in WebFrame. These are the core files that help WebFrame do what it needs to do. If you update one of these files, that's fine, but if you do an update to your system, these files will get overwritten. However, it's great for you to come in here and make changes for your own installation and then not install updates for like custom installs or for bug fixes that you can then help support us on GitHub and report those bug fixes and get part of your code added to ours. So let's go to when you're first logging in, index.php, and see what it looks like. Here is the index.php file. While I'm in Terminal, you can see it looks a lot like DevTools, but we got save changes, revert changes, delete file. We can view, and over here is our function file, and this will be fleshed in a little bit more. We're adding a lot more documentation here, so you can see like some of those functions that we showed in the functions tutorial, and a lot more. While you're navigating through Terminal, it will show you the breadcrumbs up here. Let me go a little deeper into Terminal so you can see what I'm talking about. So let's go into, for instance, apps. Now usually you can just, in developer tools, just see the things in the My Apps folder, but from Terminal here we can dive into some of these other applications. Like for instance, let's go into Builder. And you can see the breadcrumb following you. So if I wanted to go back one, I could click here and go back one to go into something else. Or I can continue to click forward here and take a look at the files in here. So like page.php. Let's take a look at that. So I can look at my code in here. I can edit my code in here. I can save my code in here. If I want to access a folder quickly, you could come down and use the shortcut over here, Tasks, and say this is my Builder folder. So let's go back to Task, and I'll just call this Builder, and hit Add. And I can make my way back here very quickly. Here we go, back into Builder, and continue with my edits. You can access everything from here. So apps, my apps, applets, which we haven't gone into, that deals with this. The button is disabled right now, but we'll be adding it soon. Probably by the time you watch this video, it will be there. You can add, you can go and look at your website, your themes, your plugin, your pages, the media. All that can be accessed right here. So I can hop in here and notice we have a favicon and a PNG. Cool. If you click on a file that is not actually a readable file, it's going to show up blank, like a picture, for instance. And that is Terminal in a nutshell. I didn't really go into any coding right now because we've done a lot of the coding in the other videos. I just wanted you to get a sense of what Terminal did. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you at the next video. Bye.